Hello, Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay, today we have reading competition and first of all, are you ready? Good. Okay, come here, Afan. Okay, next, what is this?
Alligator.
Okay, good. Next, what is this?
Balloon.
Okay, what is this?
C.
Okay, what's the sound of C?
Car. Cat.
Good. And come here. What is this? What's the sound of S? Alhamdulillah, come here. What is this? Then come here. What is this?